How could a confident, handsome worm eagle have trouble keeping friends? Good question.
Because of the way you look?
The way I...
Yeah, all sort of lumpy and red.
It's actually looked like a bit of a bigger animal that fell off or was removed and came to life. It's actually
Like an old person's finger.
Reminds me of an infection I had up my...
Or was it the voice?
I know. It's because you've got beady eyes like a rat.
Or you're just generally unlikable in a way that's hard to pin down?
Are you dying?
I'm actually laughing.